PrintLINER is a new revolutionary way to keep ink out of the edges of the screen in your shop. It saves time, it saves money by not having to tape the screen, saves tape, which is more economically and eco-friendly way to run your screen printing business. But does it really work? Well, here are 3 myths I'd like to bust about PrintLINER. The first thing I said when I saw this is, there's no way that a magnet's keeping ink from getting underneath that the way tape does. But then I took a bottle of water and literally the thinnest thing, threw it in the back of the screen and just let it sit there. And guess what? Nothing came out. It's extremely tight and does a great job keeping ink out of your mesh area. Myth 2 is it gets in the way of your print. While it does sit on the edge of your frame, it sits in the mesh on the corner areas and actually is designed to sit over your platen, so it does not sit on top of your platen area. And even if you are using larger platens, it's the same distance as your off contact, so you have no need to worry that it's going to change the way you print. And the final myth is that it costs a lot more than a roll of tape. Well, duh, but you only have to buy it once. In fact, most shops see an ROI on their PrintLINER within 4 to 5 weeks, depending on how many screens you're using. So unless you're absolutely in love with tape, bust your own myths on PrintLINER and check it out on screenprinting.com. And the final myth is that, and the final myth